Best 10 cars for their reliability and resale value. When looking for a new car, reliability and resale value are often two of the most important factors to consider. A reliable car can give you peace of mind, save you money on repairs, and help you avoid unexpected breakdowns, while a car with high resale value can help you get a good return on your investment when it's time to sell or trade in. To help you make an informed decision, we've compiled a list of the most reliable cars that also retain their resale value well, based on data from trusted sources like J.D. Power, Consumer Reports, and U.S. News & World Report. This list includes a variety of makes and models from different segments of the market, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks, and covers a range of years to help you find a reliable car that fits your budget and retains its value over time. So whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a rugged off-road vehicle, this list can help you narrow down your search and find a car that you can rely on for years to come, while also getting a good return on your investment. As of today, the cars that are best at retaining their value over time include Toyota Tacoma. This mid-size pickup truck has a reputation for being reliable and durable, which helps it retain its value well. Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler's iconic design and off-road capabilities make it highly desirable, and its resale value reflects that. Toyota 4Runner. Another durable and reliable Toyota vehicle, the 4Runner holds its value well due to its off-road capabilities and long lifespan. Subaru WRX. This compact sports sedan is fun to drive and holds its value well, thanks to its cult following and limited production runs. Porsche 911. The 911 has been an icon of the sports car world for decades, and its high-end performance and prestige help it retain its value over time. Honda Civic. The Civic has been a popular and reliable choice for many years, and its high resale value reflects that. Chevrolet Corvette. The Corvette is a classic American sports car that has been around for over half a century. Its timeless design and high-performance capabilities help it retain its value well. Tesla Model S. The Model S is one of the most popular electric vehicles on the market, and its innovative technology and performance capabilities help it retain its value. Lexus GX. This luxury SUV is known for its reliability and off-road capabilities, making it a desirable choice for those who want a luxury vehicle that can handle rough terrain. Ford Mustang. The Mustang is another classic American sports car that has been around for decades. Its iconic design and high-performance capabilities help it hold its value over time. In conclusion, when it comes to purchasing a car, reliability and resale value are two of the most important factors to consider. The models mentioned in this list are renowned for their reliability, and they have a reputation for holding their resale value well over time.